Okay, making my morning chai tea latte. Got my chai tea in there. This is post replacement part fix. So pop that up. The tea one, fine, no issues really. A little bit of wet, but nothing too bad. The latte. Full container. Let's get that in there. Press the button. Yeah, nice noises it makes. It no longer foams my coffee. I got a few bubbles at the top. So drip, drip. Okay, ready for me to take it off. Open it up. Imagine that. My milk container is still half full. Now this is my issue. Dripping everywhere. I got a nice mess. My tea isn't full. There's no foam. And I have to sit here and dump the rest of my foam milk into my tea while the rest of it drips and bubbles in the machine. This is all post-fix. The part has been replaced properly, and I would like my machine to work again. So now I have to clean my machine again here. Look at all that milk still in there. It stopped bubbling, but now it's leaking milk still everywhere on that side. Still getting the last of the milk out. Okay, that should be good. No foam. So to fix that, I use my handy dandy little, so that at least I can make some foam myself. Tassimo, please fix my machine.